Near Protocol just shocked the crypto market. Its token surged more than 27% in a single day. Traders are flooding into its ecosystem, and some analysts are calling it one of the strongest AI plays in crypto right now. But here's what's really interesting. While most blockchains are still talking about scaling and adoption, Near is launching perpetual futures trading, automating its own growth through dynamic resharding, and building privacy-focused AI infrastructure that could make it a major player in the next generation of decentralized applications. So is Near quietly becoming one of the most important projects in crypto? Or is this just another hype cycle that won't last? Let's break down exactly what's happening. What just happened? Near has been shipping upgrades at an incredible pace. First, the network-integrated Hyperliquid perpetual futures directly into Near.com. Users can now access more than 50 trading markets and deposit assets from over 35 different blockchains without the usual complexity of switching networks and manually bridging funds. Second, Near is preparing one of its most important infrastructure upgrades ever, dynamic resharding. For years, adding capacity to the network required coordination between validators, votes, and protocol upgrades. Now, the blockchain will automatically create additional shards whenever demand increases. Think of it like a highway that automatically adds new lanes whenever traffic gets heavy. The goal is simple: unlimited scalability without human intervention. And investors are paying attention. Near jumped more than 27% after the announcement as traders reacted to the potential long-term impact. Why everyone is talking about AI. But trading and scalability aren't the only reasons Near is making headlines. The project is aggressively positioning itself as a blockchain built for the AI era. Recent upgrades include private AI inference tools and automatic removal of sensitive personal information before AI prompts ever leave a user's device. In a world where privacy concerns around artificial intelligence are growing every month, that's a major selling point. And the market seems to be buying into that narrative. Recent reports suggest billions of dollars have flowed into decentralized AI-related crypto projects as investors look for alternatives to centralized AI systems. Near is increasingly being viewed as one of the strongest beneficiaries of that trend. The bull case. So why are investors getting excited? First, Near Intense continues seeing significant usage, helping users move assets across chains without dealing with complicated blockchain infrastructure. Second, dynamic resharding could make Near one of the most scalable networks in the industry. Third, the project is actively building privacy-focused AI tools at a time when AI remains one of the hottest sectors in technology. And fourth, institutional interest appears to be growing. Both Grayscale and Bitwise have pursued Near-related investment products, potentially opening the door for greater institutional participation in the future. That's a powerful combination of technology, adoption, and narrative. The bear case. But let's not ignore the risks. Crypto investors have seen exciting narratives before. AI is currently one of the strongest themes in the market, but narratives can cool down quickly. Competition is also fierce. Projects like Bitansor, Render, Solana, and other AI-focused ecosystems are all competing for the same investor attention and capital. And despite all the technological progress, market conditions still matter. If liquidity leaves crypto or risk assets come under pressure, even fundamentally strong projects can struggle. Technology doesn't always translate directly into token performance. What should you do? Here's the reality. Nobody knows whether Near becomes a top-performing crypto asset over the next few years. What we do know is that the project is actively building while many competitors are still focused on promises. Hyperliquid integration, dynamic resharding, AI infrastructure, and institutional interest all suggest that Near is trying to position itself for long-term relevance. For investors, the key question isn't whether Near has potential. It's whether that potential is already priced into the market. That's something every investor has to decide for themselves. Near enters the second half of 2026 with serious momentum. Perpetual futures trading is live. Dynamic resharding is about to automate network scaling. AI privacy infrastructure is expanding, and institutional products continue moving through the regulatory process. So is Near building the foundation for its biggest growth cycle yet? Or is the market getting ahead of itself? Let us know in the comments. Are you bullish on Near, or do you think the AI narrative has already gone too far? And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto analysis.